Hi and welcome to the Equisol How-to series. Today, we're removing a failed coating and restoring it to a beautiful oiled timber using 4 Equisol products. We're going to start by removing the old coating using Equisol Xcoat, an industrial strength concentrate. Dilute 1 part Xcoat to 1 part water. Brush onto the dry timber, making sure to get a good thick coating. After applying, use a stiff brush to work the Xcoat into the grain. Now leave the stripper for 30 minutes to do its work and keep the deck moist with water mist. Reapply Xcoat again after 30 minutes. This will help lift all the coating off. Equisol Xcoat will darken the deck as it loosens the old film. Then use a scraper to test if the coating is loose. When the old coating is ready to come off, use a rotary scrubber to remove the old film, which will look like a paste with congealed coating fragments. Then thoroughly rinse the timber with a high-pressure hose or gurney. Prime is an alkali-based cleaner that removes organic-based contaminants. It will also prepare the timber to accept the penetrating oil. Dilute 1 part Prime to 4 parts water. Brush on the diluted Prime formula and give the timber a good scrub with a stiff brush. It will remove any tannins or oil-based contaminants that were caught under the old film. Let Prime do its work for 20 minutes, making sure the timber stays wet with frequent water misting. Scrub the deck again with a stiff brush or rotary scrubber, and hose off with a high-pressure hose or gurney. Vitalise is an acid-based cleaner that removes mineral-based contaminants. It will brighten the timber. Dilute 1 part Vitalise to 4 parts water. Brush on the diluted Vitalise formula and give the timber a good scrub with a stiff brush. It will remove any mineral-based contaminants that were caught under the old film. Let Vitalise do its work for 20 minutes. Scrub the deck again with a stiff brush or rotary scrubber, and hose off with a high-pressure hose or gurney. The old film coating is completely gone. Sanding is important to remove any old film caught in the grain. Where possible, use a powered sander, but be careful of raised nails or deck fittings that will tear through sanding belts. Clean off sanding dust with a blower and soft buffing cloth. Brush on a thin coat of Equisol Pro E365 penetrating oil with your chosen color tone. Follow the direction of the timber grains to fill all the pores. Thin coats of the oil work best. Apply a second coat when the first coat is dry. So here is our restored deck. Equisol Professional Wood Care.